time is it where you are?
Miss you more than anything.
Back at home, you feel so far.
Waiting for the phone to ring. Getting lonely, living upside down. I don't even wanna be in this town. Trying to figure out the time zones making me crazy. You say good morning when it's midnight. Going out of my head, alone in this bed. I wake up to your sunset, and it's driving me mad. I miss you so bad, and my heart is so jet lagged. Heart is so jet lagged. Heart is so jet lagged. It's so jet lagged. What time is it where you are?
5 more days and I'll be home.
I keep your picture in my car.
I hate the thought of you alone.
I've been keeping busy all the time, just to try to keep you off my mind. Trying to figure out the time zones making me crazy. You say good morning when it's midnight. Going out of my head, alone in this bed. I wake up to your sunset, and it's driving me mad. I miss you so bad, and my heart is so jet lagged. Heart is so jet lagged. Heart is so jet lagged. It's so jet lagged. I miss you so bad. 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 Hey! Ano yan? What's going on here?
Aga-aga may duet na nagaganap.
Weeksary naman po, weeksary naman.
Main, anong kaguluhan
Main,
ito?
happy weeksary, Main.
Weeksary naman, happy weeksary, Alden.
Weeksary, Main. Ayan, happy 42nd weeksary, Aldab Nation!
Yes, sa lahat siya na nasa Broadway. Happy weeksary po!
Happy weeksary!
Grabe, 42 weeks na.
Ilang bang linggo para mga anak? Ay, overdue na yan.
Ganito na kalaki yung pagdama.
May ngipin na yan.
Malaki na.
Birthday na.
Ay, grabe, 10 weeks na lang.
Yes!
10 weeks na lang.
At Dabar Cats,
Eat!
Bulagana!
Alright, happy 42nd week sa ating ADN.
Aldab Nation.
And, yeah, simula pa lang kilig na ang hatid namin. Well, hatid nila.
Brought to you by Alden and Maine.
Oh, kilig na ang hatid nila ngayon, tanghalian for everyone.
You know yung picture, oh.
Indeed. Mamaya abangan ninyo ang free concert experience dahil mapapanood na po ang solo performance ni Just Do It Championship contender Louie Ann Culalo. Abangan niyo yan, mga Dabar Cats. At ready na rin makiselebrate ang mga Dabar Cats natin from all over the world.
Take it away, Maine.
At eto na nga, happy weeksary ulit, Alden, sa'yo. At ang dami natin dito sa barangay. Nasaan ba tayo ngayon?
Okay lang ba yung lalamunan mo?
Ayan, wala rin masyadong tao dito. At ayan, Alden, yung mga pictures mo, pinirin ko yan.
O parang
Oh, ayan,
pinirin?
oh. Pinirin ko yan lahat. Oh, di ba?
Spell pinirin.
Pinirin. Ay! Ay!
Hey!
Ano na?
Hoy!
Eto,
Hoy,
oy!
Kuya Jose! Hoy! Happy weeksary! Ako magsugod bahay kayo. Ba't akyat bahay yan?
Ayan, sinasanay na namin. Abay, puro sugod na lang. Akyatin naman namin para may iba-iba.
Dabar Cats natin.
Saan?
Sa studio.
Sa studio. O sige, halika na. Halika na, halika na, halika na. And welcome sa ating mga balikbayan. Nakasama natin ngayon dito sa studio.
Yun na!
Okay. At ito, nakikiweeksary rin sa atin ang mga excursionista. Ito ang mga taga-barangay, Barangay Palatio, Pasig City. Barangay Tugatog, Orani, Bataan. Barangay Poblacion, Baliwag, Bulacan. Barangay Mahabang, Parang, Angono, Rizal. Well, Happy week sa inyong lahat, Albert Nation! At ito na, para sa tuloy-tuloy na sorpresa, simulan na natin yan sa Barangay dahil sugod bahay na sa One for All for One na...
Ang One for All